Hello, and this is the iTECH STK3500 Multi Filter Fully Enclosed Dust Extractor. I'm just going to run you through a few features on it. So, starting off with the collection bin, which is a heavy duty bin which is mounted on caster wheels. There's a mounting bracket here for transport purposes just to keep the rigidity, but you'd remove that once in situ, so you can just simply roll it out unclipping these levers. You also get a large transparent see-through window, so you can see exactly how full it is and you know exactly when to empty it, sorry. You also get a transparent window on the inlet for the machine, so you can see if there's any blockages and how much extraction is coming through the system against that 200mm inlet. Moving up, we have got the door for the multi-filters, so I'll just open this up and show you inside. So here we've got 12 large cylindrical multi-filters mounted on a plate which is hung by springs, so that keeps it super quiet. So it is the quietest machine in the class. And at the top we've got a oscillating motor which is included as standard for filter cleaning, auto shake after the machine's run its cycle. I'll demonstrate that shortly. And then we've got the motor here, which is an Omega motor, and it's 4 horsepower. On the side we've got the control panel, so you've got an isolator, a stop button, a start button, emergency stop, fault light, and 3 circuit lights. So I'll just demonstrate how quiet the machine is now by activating it. So this is situated next to an edge bander which isn't running. The edge bander has 3 outlets on it. 2 for the pre-milling, 1 for the main machine. So as far as edge banders go, it's very quiet indeed. I'm just going to deactivate it now and you'll hear the auto shake kick in.